Okay, so first off, you're going to get a really messy view of my room. Sort of, ish. From this video. This is an unboxing video. I am warning you guys right now. Okay, so don't expect these very often. This is the first unboxing video I've done. And I got plenty of stuff way back here. Yeah, if I had started these videos earlier, I would have already done a couple of them. Yeah. Stupid drawer. I'll worry about that later. Including these, by the way. Okay. So, courtesy of my dad's friend Chuck Ewing, can't tell if you can see that or not, I got to go to the Spartan Speedway. Oh, I was holding upside down. Sorry. I got to go to the Spartan Speedway figure 8 race tonight instead of paying for it. I got to go in for free. Anyways, so yeah, I got some stuff at the merch table that I want to unbox. Sort of. Okay. Is this good? Okay, is that good view? I can't tell. Yep, I can see my hand. It's way over here. Okay. So, yeah. If you couldn't get a better view of that before. Number 2, Chuck Ewing. He is a good racer. They've been putting him on a wrong class as of late. So the first thing I've got there isn't as important. It's not going to be the part until I actually just bought this. Oh, this is a bad spot. Man, okay. Let's just put this here then, I guess. Okay. So first thing, put this in the wrong way. Gosh darn. Working with cameras is no fun. Okay. So, dang, still can't get a good view. Okay. First things first is this hat. It's really freaking dark for some odd reason. There we go. I bought it just because I didn't have very sufficient hat, and that's not a good thing when you're at a race. So yeah, new hat. I didn't really care for it. Here's what we're really looking at though, is this box right here. I've already kind of unboxed it, so I already kind of know what's coming. Let's see if I can't get this angled nicely. Okay. Hey, look at that picture of Chuck. So, here we go. First off, really nice box. This is definitely going to be in that drawer that you saw me pull all that stuff from. I'm just gonna put this back here real quick. Also, I really love the races at Spartan. I don't have any deals, just so you know. So yeah, real nice sleek box. Love it. Let's open up. And there it is. By the way, there is some cushioning in here. I could probably just take this out. Yeah, I can just take that out. The box is still quite nice. I'm not sure if I'll use it for anything or not. I just close that so we. Ooh, just slides right out. Awesome. Also, I'm a really big fan of Tony Stewart, if you couldn't tell from that over there. Nice blade. The guy who sold it to me had a much more colorless version of that right there. It's a pretty nice looking blade though. Nice, durable and straight. I'm going to do a cut test with this. That's why I wanted to make this video. So I'll actually use the box for this, I guess. Okay. Let's see how sharp this thing is. Index card, not too bad, I guess. Okay. Ah, yes. I like this sharpness. Except for these crumpled areas aren't cutting very well. Yeah, that is nice. Cut a whole piece off. Awesome blade for sure. This will definitely come in handy. Box says PK 37 to okay, let me try again. PK 30. Gosh darn it! Okay. PK 327-20. Color nickel, made in China. Of course. Where else is it made? Everything's made in China. Nice blade. Definitely. Looks like, yeah, button to close. Very nice. I definitely recommend it. I'm sure this is pretty old. Guys at the stand were selling some pretty old stuff. Love this blade. Nice sharp. It was definitely sharper than the blade that I had before, which was, it's not on a keychain. It actually broke because I lent it to some guy who has no idea how to work a knife. This came from Camp Living Waters. It had a flashlight which broke. That was on my own, I guess. I don't know how that happened. I really must have had a beef with it. Or was that the guy that broke it? I can't remember. This pen that's been wearing out and is borderline useless at this point. Like I said, the knife broke off. This knife, when it opened up, you had to support it from behind like so when using it, or like so. He just held it like this, which with this blade I don't think would be much of a problem. It's got a nice lock. But with this blade, it didn't have a lock, so you would have to, you know, support it. He held it like that. So when he was using it, he was like, it's not cutting. I'm like, of course, you're not supporting it. He ended up just breaking it off, which is why this looks so broken. But I still keep it around because of this. It is a can opener. I'm not sure if you can even see this right now. Well, not can opener, bottle opener. If you haven't noticed, I have a huge bottle collection in the back. But yeah. So, yeah, this blade is awesome. It's really what I wanted to unbox for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is not a common thing for me to do. I probably will do a few more unboxing videos. I don't know when they'll come out. They'll come out randomly. So yeah. Stay on my channel if you really want to see my video game stuff. Oh my gosh, my video game stuff. I need to get on that. I keep throwing new shit at you and you guys want to see my old shit. You guys want to see me play Super Mario World. I'm like, nope, I'm going to play Jetpack Joyride. Nope, I'm going to do a new thing on unbox stuff. I will get to my old stuff. Don't worry. But yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this. That is the end of my video. Oh, I should probably, yeah. These items side by side. Again, can't really see the hat. My phone's in the background. Kitty! Meet my cat. If I can... Tequila. Yeah, she's a black cat. I can't tell if you can see her. So yeah, that's the end of my video. I hope to see you guys in the next video.